Hi everybody, Cindy Greenway here, Editor-in-Chief at lawmarketing.com, and today we're talking with Larry Bodine about a surge in litigation expected for 2014. Now, Larry Bodine is the former Editor-in-Chief of Lawyers.com, and he always has the most up-to-date information when it comes to surveys out there and reports. So, Larry, thanks again for joining us.
Always a pleasure, Cindy.
Great. So talk to us about this, these reports that you found that talk about the litigation surge that's coming for 2014. What does that look like? What does it mean? Can you tell us about what practice areas are going to be impacted by this?
Well, the information comes from the BTI consulting group as well as the large law firm Fulbright, and they both predict a surge in litigation. BTI found that 61% of corporate clients and executives that it interviewed expect to see a jump in litigation matters. And the areas that are going to be the busiest starting next year are going to be employment litigation, class action and torts, and IP litigation. BTI describes both of those as being high growth where premium fees are available. So this is a very good sign for litigators.
So what can attorneys expect, or what can they do to prepare for this surge in litigation, Larry? How can this really benefit them?
Well, the key thing is to focus on specific industries. This is where I get some information from the Fulbright and Jaworski firm, where it also found a surge in litigation is coming, and it identified three particular areas. One was in class actions. They see a lot more action coming there, particularly in labor and employment class actions. And the industries affected are going to be retail primarily. That's where most of this litigation takes place. And to a lesser extent, engineering, energy, and healthcare. Another area where you're going to see more activity by plaintiffs is going to just be in labor and employment all by itself. And most of the action is going to come in wage and hour disputes. And you'll find those primarily in the real estate industry, retail, and financial services industry. And then the third area where we expect to see more activity is in IP litigation, specifically patent infringement. And it's interesting, about 30% of corporations say that they've been involved as a defendant. And the companies that are defending these claims are in the technology, retail, and manufacturing industries. About 25% of corporations have been plaintiffs in intellectual property litigation, and those tend to be in retail, technology, and engineering. So that's the kind of legal activity that I think we can all expect for the coming year.
Great. Well, good information, Larry. I mean, I can always count on you to have these kind of details and find these reports with this trends coming and what we can expect coming up. So thanks again for joining me here today. I know people can find you at blog.larrybodine.com and also on Twitter at Larry Bodine, and also various videos that you and I have done together here at lawmarketing.com. So thanks, Larry. We'll talk to you again soon.
Thank you, Cindy.